I'm Ashley and I'm 10 years old. I live in Raleigh, North Carolina. I'm in the 5th grade. For fun, I like to play basketball. I'm a really good hula hooper. I can walk while I'm hula hooping, and I also can jump. On August 27th of 2010, I was diagnosed with stage 4 neuroblastoma. It's a really hard battle, but you can just get through it like I did. And I'm now a survivor, so I'm happy about that. When I grow up, I want to be a recreational therapist. If I had just one wish, it would be to end pediatric cancer.
Since 1998, Hyundai Hope on Wheels has supported pediatric cancer research. And we want you to join the fight. And on our 16th anniversary, we only have one wish: beat pediatric cancer.